Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia Exams YouTube channel. If you are preparing for NEET 2026, one of the most important steps before exam day is downloading your admit card. In this video, we will guide you step by step so you don't miss anything important. Start with the most important rule. Make sure you visit the official website of NEET NTA. The National Testing Agency or NTA is the only authority that releases the NEET admit card. Visit neet.nta.nic.in and avoid third-party websites to keep your details safe. Before you begin, make sure you have your login details ready. First, your application number. This is your unique ID. Second, your date of birth, exactly as entered during registration. And third, the security pin shown on the screen. Even a small mistake here can stop you from logging in. Now go to official website and find the candidate activities section. Click on download NEET UG 2026 admit card. Enter your application number, date of birth and security pin carefully. Once submitted, you will be able to access your admit card. Logging in, your admit card will appear on the screen. Before downloading, check your details carefully. Make sure your photograph is clear, your signature is visible and the barcode is intact. If anything looks wrong, log out and download it again immediately. Your admit card contains crucial information. Check your name and roll number carefully. Note your exam center and plan your travel in advance. Also, check the reporting time and read all exam day instructions thoroughly. Facing issues? Don't worry. If your login fails, double check your credentials. If the website isn't loading, try a different browser or avoid peak hours. If your photo or signature is missing, re-download the admit card or contact NTA help desk. Remember, your NEET admit card is your entry to the exam hall. Download it from the official website, take a clear printout and keep multiple copies ready. Reach your exam center early, stay calm and give your best shot. For more updates on NEET 2026, keep following College Dunia. All the best for your exam.